Hey guys, welcome back. Today, as you guys can see, I'm gonna be doing a bit of shorter nails because I want my natural nails to grow out a bit. And first, as always, I'm gonna start with primer. And as you can see, I'm doing the same nails that I had on when I did the Louis Vuitton design. But I just cut them shorter and this is what I'm working with. And after the primer, I'm gonna be using just a thin layer of base gel. And I'm really sorry about the lighting changes, but that's just the sun, so I cannot yell at it to stop. So you just gotta bear with me, and I hope that it doesn't ruin the video. After curing the base gel, I can apply a thin layer of builder gel first, and then I'm gonna be applying a bit more to build up the nail. And when this is done and cured, I can wipe off the sticky layer. And then I'm gonna be painting my pinky and middle finger, and for today I chose this really awesome and bright red. Of course I had to mess up a little bit, so now I'm just cleaning it up. And again, once these are done, I'm gonna wipe them off. And this is pretty much it for these nails, so I'm just gonna add top coat. And guys, don't forget to seal the edge. And now it is time to take care of the remaining nails, and I decided to add some black as the background for the holographic powder that I'm gonna be using. And of course, me being me, I need to do some cleanup. I hate this stickiness, I need to wipe it off. Now it's time to add some top coat, but I need to make sure that it's even because otherwise you're gonna be able to see all of these bumps. And what's also important is that I need to cure it for only 30 seconds. This is the holographic powder that I was talking about, and I know right now it looks pretty grey, but trust me, whenever the sunlight hits it, it's awesome. I need to rub it into the top coat right after I took it out of the lamp, otherwise it's not gonna stick, and even right now you can see I'm having a hard time to make sure that it sticks to every part of the nail. So this is how it looks. I just dusted it off with some brush and now I'm gonna seal it in with another layer of top coat. Now you can kinda start to see the rainbow, but trust me, the effect is way better in natural sunlight. And whenever it's cured, I can wipe off the powder from my finger. Now I'm just gonna repeat this whole process with my pointer finger. I wanted to show you guys the holographic effect a bit better, so I just used some flashlight. And I can't tell you how much I love the rainbow. And now we can move on to the last step, which is to add some cuticle oil. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!